TP-Link router, 2 antennas. 4 ways to use this router. Method 1. Access point mode. In this mode, the router transforms your existing wired network into a wireless one. Main router. This router. Wireless devices. Use this method at home or office. Setup steps are as follows. Operation modes. Access point mode. Save. Reboot. Connect a cable from the main router to the port labeled WAN. Use the ports labeled LAN to connect devices that require a wired internet connection. Next, Method 2, Range Extender Mode. In this mode, the router boosts the existing wireless coverage in your home. This router connects to the main router wirelessly to extend coverage. This method is recommended for home use. Using multiple devices in this way within a single home is not recommended because this method affects wireless network performance. Setup steps. Range Extender Mode. Wireless. Wi-Fi scanner. Host network. Home. Enter the host network password. Password. Operation succeeded. Network map. How devices connect to each other. With this method, the distance between devices is crucial. Relocate. Place the router about halfway between your host router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. The location you choose must be within the range of your existing host network. Method 3. WISP Mode. In this mode, the router connects to the ISP network wirelessly in areas without wired service. In practice, you use this method to connect to public Wi-Fi securely. You can use this method in places like hotels, airports, or cafes. You do not need to use a cable with this connection method. Internet. Wi-Fi scanner. Public network. Hotel. Enter the WISP network password. Password. Save. Operation succeeded. Network map. Public Wi-Fi. And the final method, router mode. This is the router's default mode. This mode requires you to connect a cable to the router's WAN port. The cable can come directly from the main router or from a wall outlet. Router mode. In this mode, the router can provide internet access for multiple wired and wireless devices. This is the most commonly required mode. Thanks for watching.